Hola mis amores, welcome back to my channel. I am full of allergies. I'm just loving that it's spring, you know, and that I can not breathe properly and that my porch is green. Like, it's literally green right now. I sat down on the bench in the porch and realized that's a horrible mistake, because then I noticed everything around me was green. My little the little house I have for my son, the whole top of it is green. The freaking fence is green. Let me just get my ass out of here and go back inside the house. I haven't made a video in so long, and I'm so happy to be making this video right now. So let's get into it. I am going to be making I'm not going to be making anything. What the fuck am I talking about? I'm going to make myself look less sick, because on top of being sick, I have allergies. And I have very bad ojeras. Like, if you can see under my eyes, I haven't been sleeping great. And I have been working non-stop. And I just, like, I'm tired. I am very tired. I can't even take, like, Benadryl, because quite literally, I took it the other day and I fell asleep and didn't woke up until like 12 hours later. So we don't want to be doing that. By the way, I'm using the No Pore, No Problem from Touch and Soul. Is it? Yeah, from Touch and Soul primer. I swear this primer is so fucking good. Like, since I've gotten it, when I was doing the BoxyCharm unboxing, it's just like the best primer I've tried. Like, personally, the best primer. And I have very oily skin. My skin, I don't know, it has been changing. And I don't even know what it is right now. Right now it's like extremely oily. Like a few months ago, it was oily only right here. And then right here was like really dry. I'm listening to Suicide Boys coming to North Carolina. I am so excited because I really want to go see them. Let's hope we can go, because I'm gonna record a vlog for y'all. And yeah, look, that's if I end up going, because I've been trying to stay away from using a lot of foundation because my skin has been really weird and I've kind of been breaking out. So I'm gonna use this CC cream. This one. I don't really love this one, but you know, that's the only one I got, so I'm gonna use it. And I'm gonna be showing y'all how I color correct my dark ass motherfucking circles, because they're, what is this? I look like, I don't even know. They're just like super like discolored. And then I'm gonna be using the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. This is not really exactly my shade, but it works. Like, I make it work, so it doesn't matter. And this is the Magic Skin Butterfire BB cream for L'Oreal. I'm gonna put a generous amount. I usually don't put this much, but this is really bad. This is really bad. I'm just gonna dab it in and like diffuse it. I'm gonna blend it in. I'm just gonna blend it in. Does that look better? I cannot tell, because I have been more blind than usual lately. And I don't know, every time I do my makeup without my glasses. Well, I always do my makeup without my glasses. Like, what am I talking about? I always do my makeup without my glasses. It's just that lately it's been a little bit harder. I don't know why. Like, I don't know. So I'm gonna also use this concealer, and this is the Pro Conceal High Definition by LA Girl. And I'm gonna use this in here, and then I'm gonna use this on the outer corners. Putting it in my hand because last time last time I put this on my face, it fell into my shirt and it left a stain, and my shirt was white. Like my shirt was full on white shirt with the foundation stain on it. I was not able to get that off. It still has the dot, like it still has it on the shirt. So I'm not taking no chances right now. I haven't shown you guys my shirt. Look how cute. It has like all the cactuses and super cute. It's super cute. I think I got it at Target. What was it, Walmart? I don't remember. It was one of those. I've been shopping a lot at Target lately. It's just because they have so many cute like graphic shirts and like they're really cute. I'm starting to look a little less sick. Let's cover up my bags and then maybe we can look even better. Because we're starting to look a little less sick, which is really, really good. And a little, just a little bit here. Hopefully that wasn't too much. Here's my handy dandy unicorn brush. I have this for years. And yeah, like I'm never getting rid of this because it's literally the best brush to blend under my eyes that I have. Like I've tried many different ones and after a while they just don't do it for me anymore. That already looks better. Hey baby.
I missed the big
What
time.
Is that?
That's big time.
That's slime? Alright, don't I significantly that is not a word. I significantly look better already. Like, see? By the way, my kid just got here, so if you hear the little kid, that's him. My son just got home. I'm gonna put some setting spray on so it like really sets in my skin and it doesn't move. A ver. I don't know how many squirts with that, but I just put it up until I feel like it's good. So I'm gonna be using this for my eye primer, and this is the YC collection eye primer. This dries out clear, so after I use it, did she just like squirt it on my fucking face? What the fuck? This is how much I got out, and this is enough for both eyes. I would say this is probably even a little too much, but I just put it on my eyes like this, and it dries down clear, and then I just put like concealer on top of it when it dries. I'm gonna use the Watermelon Burst powder on my, like under my eyes. This is the setting powder, and this is from Ciate London. And then I'm gonna use the Wet n Wild translucent powder for the rest of my face. I'm gonna be using this little Wet n Wild kit for your eyebrows. I'm gonna try to do them really light because I just haven't been wanting to have like really intense brows, if that makes sense. My hair, oh my gosh, on my forehead, since when? Yeah, I'm gonna try to do them really light. I don't know, I feel like the really intense brows just make my face look so harsh, and even when I try to do them light, they come out fucking dark. I don't know why. And I've noticed for like years now that every time I emphasize my arch, my face just looks so harsh and ugly, like the arch of my brows. So I've been trying like really hard not to do that, even though I fail sometimes at it. It's just like I don't know why it makes it look so bad. I'm gonna use a stipple brush and I'm going to use this TYS Beauty in the color Juice, and this is the liquid blush. I'm gonna put some of, so this thing is so freaking pigmented, it's wild. So I'm gonna put it in the back of my hand, and that's how I'm gonna use it, because when last time I put it on my cheek, I looked like a fucking tomato. Like, not making that mistake again. Now we do it with the brush. And I want to do a little blushy thing happening. You know, the little wide blush that was going viral, like anime like brush. Oh my god, if I could be an anime character, like, please, I would in a heartbeat. I would love to be. Like, you don't understand. I just recently saw the film Suzume. Wait, it's not Suzume, it's Suzume. God damn it, I already pronounced it wrong. Don't tell me, oh, because you can't pronounce the name, you're not a real anime. Shut the fuck up. I don't want to hear it. Like, I already have an accent in English. I don't need to hear it. Anyways, I just saw it because I finally put it on Netflix, and I was so excited because I was like, where can I watch this film? I don't have Crunchyroll, and there's like, you can use it for free with apps, but there's certain things you have to pay for you to watch. And I was just didn't have this money to pay for Crunchyroll, so I was just waiting. I was like, I'm just gonna wait, see where they can put it other than Crunchyroll. They finally put it on Netflix. I flip out, like, I literally freak out so bad because I've been waiting to watch that film. I forgot his name, but the person who created the film, he is like well known in the community, and I love all of his films. Like, he's my favorite, like, freaking sorry, like, messing with this. This has so much excess powder, like, it's crazy. Like, look, oh my god. I don't know, I just really like him, and that's what I wanted to say about him, because yeah. I forgot to mention, I am using the Wonder Beauty. This is the blush and bronzer palette, and this is in the shade Riviera. I don't know. That's what I'm just gonna mix them together. And do the same thing that I did with the other one that I put on earlier. You can never have too much blush. Nobody change your mind about that. Never can have too much blush. I'm gonna be using the Wet n Wild highlighter, and this is the Precious Petals highlighter. This thing never fails me. Okay, so we're going back to it today. My nose. Their corners. I'm gonna use this flat brush because I want like a very specific placement for my highlighter, and I'm just gonna put it like right here, right there, and that's it. I got this mascara, Sky High, and it was like super viral on TikTok, like in 2020, I think, and I've never tried it, so I'm gonna try it. Especially because I tried the Princess mascara from Essence. Everybody loves it, but I hate it. Like, I literally hate it. Like, yes, it makes your lashes looks pretty. I don't think it does that much. But also, it's not waterproof, so it literally, throughout the day, it gets all over my eyes, under my eyes, like everywhere. Because my eyes are very oily, like, so my eyelids are very oily, so. And then I had the Laneige mascara. That does the same thing. It just gets everywhere. It gets super messy. I hate it. Like, and it does nothing for my lashes. Like, nada. Nothing. So we're gonna try this. I haven't tried it. I'm gonna try it. And I'm really excited. Okay? I'm really excited. I'm gonna go ahead with another round of the setting sprays because I don't want nothing to go off my face. And this is still the e.l.f. The old Stay All Night setting spray. I want to use this like white color right here because it gave me like an angel vibes, okay? Although I do have this shirt on, so maybe I should use the gold. That's what I'm thinking. So I'm gonna use the mauve color. I'm gonna take this color and I'll put it on my crease. That's what I'm gonna do. And I'm not gonna go crazy. I'm just gonna do very light color. Actually, I should assume you guys that I don't even know why they thought of that. By the way, I got a lizard. It's right there. The little terrarium. It's my son's actually. We found it outside. Like, well, my boyfriend found it outside. And then we just brought it home and we made him a terrarium and now we feed him. He eats crickets. I'm gonna get this gold and I'm gonna put it on my eyelid. Because I think it just go perfect because I have yellow on. So I'm just gonna dab it. Oh, that's so pretty. I really didn't want to put eyeliner on, but I'm just gonna do it because I feel like it will elevate the look and make it look really nice. So I might just do it. I don't want to, whatever. I don't have the energy to, it's just that I don't have the energy to, but I'm gonna do it anyways, whatever. I haven't done eyeliner in so long, like I don't even know how I'm still like able to do it. First time I'm trying this mascara. The one is really small. I like ones like this because they don't get all over the place. This doesn't do much for my lashes. Hopefully it's like really, really good waterproof mascara though. I can't really see my lashes. I don't want to wear falsies today. This is the Lift Gloss from Maybelline and the color Moon. Moon, your name is not Moon. I had the lip liner from Beauty Belt, and this is in the color Babe. I don't know how to pronounce it, but this is what it looks like. I'll just put it down and then whatever. I just don't want it to be this harsh, like. When I'm done with my lip gloss, I just clean it with the wipe because sometimes like it will get stained from the lipstick or the lip liner, and then the stain will go into the bottle and it will just stain the whole thing and it will change the color of it. And I hate when that happens. Like I literally hate it. So we're not doing that. And then I'm gonna go again with my e.l.f. Stay All Night setting spray. One last time. I fixed my hair and it looks super cute, I think. This is it. This is the final look. I think I don't look sick anymore. Thank you guys so much for watching. It's just me ranting and showing you how to not look sick when you have allergies and when you're sick, because honestly the over blushing really helps with just looking like you did it on purpose. Like I'm just saying, you should try that technique. I just really enjoy making videos for you guys, and I'm so happy that I was able to make this video today. I want to make more videos. Life has been so crazy. Life is always crazy, and it literally like something always happens. Just like I really enjoy this. Is like so fun for me, and it just makes me so happy. Like I literally been so depressed, and making this video just like boost up my mood for real. And I see you guys in my next video. Check out my channel if you like content like this, makeup content, or just you want to see me rant. Check out my story time video when I almost got fired, so I quit before they fired me. You guys have a wonderful day or night. Let's get on with mis amores. Bye.